I recovered from a $23,000 loss on TQQ. Market at the opened very crazily strong. Like TQQ, super strong 1 minute opening range breakup. It was just volume was getting destroyed. It's just going up and up and up. I jumped in for 44.90 for the long, broke out all the way up to 44.50. So that was a very nice trade that we had. It did came back up to my break-even point, and I, instead of getting a stopped out, this is the biggest mistake that I did. I added to my position. So usually I'm getting a stopped out. That would have been a really good day, like a $4,000 or $5,000 profit day, and I could go home and do nothing. And what happened after this ad? It just dropped significantly more. And instead of me getting a stopped out, I added more on that. Eventually I got a stopped out. Here, did the double bottom, really nice long from here, popped up all the way up to 44.80, and I made some of the losses back, but not all of it. As you see here, I still ended with a $3,000 loss on that.